Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa from the Bolinas Library, and this is Otis. And we're here today to do a couple activities and some games that we can do from home or around your neighborhood. And at this point in the summer, you are probably an expert at your house. You probably know everything about your home and your neighborhood because you might have been home all summer, and you finished the last part of your school year at home too, doing school from home. So here are some games to look at your space in a new way. So we're going to open our eyes. Can you open your eyes, Otis? And rub them a little bit. Put on some new lens, and we're going to look around our space. Whoa! And see what we can find. So we are going to do some scavenger hunts. And here are some that we made, and you can do any kind that you want. And a scavenger hunt is you make a list of some things to find, and then you can give it to your friend or a sibling, have an adult help you, and then you go and cross off the things on your list. So the first one we made is one that's called Shapes and Colors. Find something, and then we have one for red, green, yellow, blue, a triangle, a circle, a square, and a rectangle. You could even find a orange triangle or a green circle. You could make up your own shape. Or you could find another shape or a different color in your house. So take a look around your house. Can you find something red in your house right now? Take a look around. What do you see? How about, can you find something that's a circle? I bet there are so many different shapes in your house. Okay, another one. Do you want to hold this one up, Otis? Mm-hmm. This one is, what do you smell? So this is one that we made. Again, you can find lots of other things for your own scavenger hunt. This is, find something that smells like dirty laundry. Maybe there's a stinky sock that was left in the corner.
About it.
Oh my goodness. Find something that smells sweet. Do you smell something that smells sweet?
Smells like hot dogs.
Ooh, is hot dog sweet? Maybe there's a rose growing outside, or maybe there's something really delicious in your kitchen that smells sweet. Maybe find something that smells spicy. Maybe there's something spicy cooking in the kitchen. And what's your favorite smell? What's your favorite smell?
Let's see. Bad breath.
Whoa. Find something that's your least favorite smell. That's my least favorite smell, bad breath. So that's another one. And we have another one that is different types of textures. So we have a square that you can check off for something fuzzy. Is there something fuzzy in your house? Or something soft? Or maybe bumpy or smooth? And you can think of a couple other ones too.
Where is smooth?
This is smooth.
Oh, I didn't see
And
that.
you check it off when you find them. How about the feelings scavenger hunt? Find something that makes you happy. What's something that makes you happy, Otis? Something in your house that makes you happy? Or maybe it's not even a thing. Maybe it's a... What else?
I know
what makes
presents.
Presents. You know what makes me happy?
What?
When you give me a hug. What's something that makes you sad? Or scared? What's something that makes you scared?
I know. What? Robin playing with a record player.
When your baby plays with a record player. Or maybe there's a neighbor dog that barks a lot and it's maybe a little scary. But actually, she's just excited to see you.
Yeah.
Maybe something that makes you excited.
I know what makes me excited.
What?
Christmas.
Christmas? How about angry?
I know what makes me angry. When my baby brother hits me in the head.
Ooh, and proud. Maybe something you've been working on, a project, and you finally finished it. Oh, and you feel so good that you finished it. So that's another one. And these games you can play at home with your family. You can also set it up and send it to a friend or a neighbor. And you can set it out. So the next one we're going to do, you can do out in your yard or in your neighborhood. Maybe if you know someone else that lives near you, you can have them look for the clues. You can take some rocks. Hold one up, Otis.
Okay, look at this. Go to the bus stop.
Go to the stop sign. Look under the oak tree. And you can make up your own clues depending on where you live. And you can leave them. So you start off with one.
Go to the end of the road.
And then you have
What's this one?
the person follow it to the next one until they get to the very end.
This says, look under
the oak tree. Also, you could take some cardboard or something a little bit sturdier. You can put it outside, and when you find one clue, you could have it make you do something silly, like howl like a wolf.
Hey, wait, what's this one? Wait, let me read this. Do a silly dance.
Or do a silly dance. Another one you could have just around your house.
To read. I love reading.
Similar to the one with the cardboard. Go to where
it gets hot.
Where does it get hot in your house?
The oven.
The oven. Go to where it gets cold.
The freezer. Wait, I want to read this. Wait, I gotta read this. That's too disgusting.
Go to your bathroom floor and go to the front door. And here's another one where we have,
I love reading.
if you have an adult,
So wait,
make a secret message for you.
I gotta see this. I gotta see
Okay. You make a word.
Hey, that's my name.
I know. Shh. Have an adult make a secret sentence. And then you cut up into each word is on a different piece of paper. And then once you find all the clues, you put it together and you make a sentence. So let's see if we can put it together.
It's time for dinner, Otis.
And our last one
name.
is, if you have someone younger in your family, you can take a string, maybe some yarn or any kind of string or rope will do, and you can weave it around your house and see if your younger baby, your toddler, can follow the string all the way to the end of the rope to the other end, and maybe there's a surprise at the other end. Or maybe you go out in your yard and you have someone hold one end and someone hold the other end, and you take a nature walk along the string. You can also do a scavenger hunt for nature, for items outside, like leaves and a pine cone or a flower. There's so many different ideas that you can do. And you can do it with your family, or you can also you can take pictures and send it to your friend and have them try and see what they come up with too. So as you can see, there are a lot of different ideas for some scavenger hunts and a fun way to play at your home or out your front door, in your yard, down the street, or around your neighborhood. You can have some help with a friend or a family member. And you can even take pictures and have someone that is from afar do the same one and see if they can figure it out too. So, until next time, let's say goodbye. Bye.